Imagine this. In Cacao Hill, chocolate is everything. Every shop has its own secret recipe, passed down through generations. And this weekend, it's the town's biggest celebration, Chocolate Festival. This year, something's, well, off. Legendary prize-winning recipe, the one that made Cacao Hill famous, has vanished. No one knows who took it. You're going to find out. Your character might not look like a detective, but boy do they have a sharper sense of smell than most bloodhounds and a sweet tooth that could solve any crime. Are they the child of a chocolatier who knows the factory inside out? A newcomer to town with a talent for puzzles and a mysterious past? Or a young journalist trying to make their first big scoop? Or is that too ice cream related? Whatever the case, they've just been handed the stickiest mystery in town, and everyone is a suspect. The case starts simple. Cow Hill is full of secrets. A smear of ganache leads behind the display counter. A golden wrapper is found near the mayor's office. Someone replaced the real cacao beans with carrot. Scandalous! And worst of all, someone is tampering with the other contestants' entries. This isn't just theft, it's sabotage. Who benefits if the recipe stays missing? Why does the oldest shop in town suddenly have a brand new flavour that tastes too familiar? And who left a chocolate-stained glove in your backpack? Your character is running out of time. The festival starts tomorrow, and if they don't find the recipe, the celebration is ruined. And someone might get away with the perfect crime. Do they set a trap at the chocolate ball, sneak into the main factory at midnight, or challenge the suspects to a blind taste test? With a surprise twist. This isn't just about cacao powder and sugar, it's about pride, tradition, maybe a little revenge. What's that saying again? Revenge tastes best with a sprinkle of chocolate. The recipe is recovered, the thief is revealed, the crowd erupts in cheers. And your character? They might be young, but they've got a taste for justice. Mystery solved, sweet success. Who's ready for dessert? And as always, remember, happy writing.